Hello, my name is Moshe Mubarak. I am student English postgraduate at Universitas Sumatera Utara. Today, I would like to show you how to use Wordfast AnyWhere application to translate the document or file. Okay. The first step is click on your Google Wordfast AnyWhere. Everything is you must have the account. For create the account, you have to pay $1 for 1 month. I have already created the account and click sign in. Okay. Enter your email and your password. Okay, after that, access WordPress anywhere. Okay. Click this one, add file. The target language is Indonesia and the source language is English. So you wanna translate English to Indonesia. Choose the file that you wanna translate. Philosophy of language new, this one. Open and then open upload and open. Uploading. Please wait. Okay. If you wanna translate it, you just click start or next. It will be automatically translated into bahasa from English. Next, next, and next until the last number of this. Okay, after that, file is completed translate to into bahasa. If you want to save this document, click file, download, translate document, click OK. There are several chosen. You just download file, OK, OK. Start download. This is the downloaded the file or document that we have already translated into bahasa. Click open. Okay, and then your document or file already translated into Indonesia. Okay, I hope you can understand that how use WordPress anywhere to translate document or file. Okay, see you. Thank you.